In today's video, I'm going to talk about why becoming a freelancer can be a game changer in your life and your career. If you're seeking for independence or trying to break the traditional 9 to 5 job or simply looking to earn money online on the side, then this video is for you. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Shayan, a top-rated freelancer with over 5 years of experience, and I've earned more than $20,000 working online, and I'm here to share my insights and help you navigate through the world of freelancing. So, why become a freelancer? Let's discover the key advantages that freelancing offers. First of all, freelancing provides you with the opportunity to achieve financial freedom. You can work with multiple clients at the same time and diversify the streams of your income. Having multiple sources of income can provide you the stability and the opportunity to earn more than you would in a traditional job. You have the ability to set your own rates, negotiate contracts, and determine your income potential. No more relying on a fixed salary. As a freelancer, your income potential is directly linked to your skills, efforts, and dedication. Another significant benefit of freelancing is the flexibility that it offers. You have the freedom to choose when, where, and how you work. Want to work from the comfort of your home or try co-working spaces? It's definitely up to you. This flexibility allows you to design a work-life balance that suits your requirements and goals. But did you know that freelancing can boost your productivity and personal growth in ways that traditional jobs can't? As a freelancer, you're essentially running your own business. This fosters a mindset characterized by problem solving and creativity. You will learn how to market yourself, negotiate with clients, make strategic decisions, all of which will contribute to your professional and personal growth. Without a 9 to 5 schedule, you can align your work with natural rhythm and optimize your productivity. Additionally, as a freelancer, you will constantly face new challenges and opportunities, which promotes continuous learning and personal growth. In conclusion, freelancing can bring you a world of opportunities, including financial freedom, flexible work, and personal growth. Now, if you're interested in learning more about freelancing, be sure to check my next video, How to Become a Freelancer, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, tips, insights, and guides, how to become a freelancer and build your successful career online.